everyone, my name is Hriethisha. I'm Lutheran and I am 11 years old. I'm currently studying in SK Convent Politicus and Program D of Telebort. Over here in this page, this is my website I made for the Code with AI workshop. My website is Math Quiz, and over here we have 4 buttons, which is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So let us. I will tap onto one of these buttons, and it will bring us to this page where we will see the questions that it has given. So over here, it's 6 plus 1. So I'll put 7, and when you get it correct, they'll say awesome. The correct answer is 7. Then when you get an answer wrong, it says oops, you got that answer wrong, or oops, the correct answer is 9, or something like that. So to bring us back to the main menu, we just press to back to the menu. Okay, and reasons why I think this website is important, because it helps us learn math, and my younger sister mostly uses it to improve her math skills. And I use Cursor to help me build this website. I asked AI to help me like design this background and all. And I think it that's all from me. Thank you.